In today's fast-moving world of fiber deployment, the most valuable commodity is time. AFL's SpiderWeb ribbon wrapping tube cable and mass fusion splicer are designed to save your company time, allowing you to complete more jobs and deploy more fiber every day. Wrapping tube cable uses the same traditional techniques as loose tube cable. No special tools or equipment are needed, and the cable can be lashed or pulled just as before. The real advantage of AFL's wrapping tube cable comes during the termination of the cable. Lighting up the circuits is much faster than traditional single loose tube cables. With mass fusion splicing, you have the ability to splice 12 fibers at once, compared to individually splicing each fiber with traditional loose tube cable design. No additional training is required for routing fiber or storing slack within splice or termination closures. When disaster strikes, every second counts. AFL's SpiderWeb ribbon wrapping tube cable and mass fusion splicer are designed to get your network back up and running in a fraction of the time with minimal downtime. The speed at which you can complete circuit restoration is vastly improved with AFL's wrapping tube cable and mass fusion splicer. With loose tube cables on a standard 144 fiber cable, you're looking at 144 individual splices, compared to mass fusion splicing, which can be completed in only 12 splices. With SpiderWeb ribbon wrapping tube cable, your access to the fibers is faster compared to the traditional loose tube cables because you do not have to break into the buffer tubes. You have no additional tubes to cut, and no additional time taken to get your network back up and running. For installation and restoration of your network, AFL's SpiderWeb ribbon wrapping tube cable and mass fusion splicer will always save you your most valuable commodity, time.